Visit the newly modernized elevator 2 at Amberson Gardens Apartments in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, with Jared. This was also originally an old Haughton with an EPCO flush inside model has now been completed. Also been completely replaced by industrial commercial with Innovation Bruiser. Luckily on this one, the fan's off. One ding for down. This one serves a B. Go down to B. Interior go down. Yeah, this one doesn't run as well. You can actually hear how this one runs because the fan's off here at B.
Floor B.
Up to 6. Interior go up. Hollister whitening. You know, it runs kind of smooth, but it makes a lot of weird noises. You're at 6.
Floor 6.
We're back down to 1. 88 phone. The basic stainless steel tin can cab. This one's kind of dirty at the top. Back on 1.
Floor 1.
Jared's going to stay in the elevator, I guess. Just don't press the floor because I'm going to get back on. And closes, and that's going to be it.